Well, hello, gamers. You're wicked, very wicked gamers. Today, we're gonna have an unboxing. If you like it or not, I'll just say that. Oh, my IP address! I'm gonna get exposed. Oh no, I'm gonna get canceled. Well, today we're gonna unbox a hairbread chipper. That's amazing. But it's like, what? What are these? What are those? Yeah, that's right. I'm that ancient. Not really, but I am wicked. So today we're gonna take a look at just plastic gen. So here is the first blade, which is Master Drasil, which I think you have to twist it, and there is more like free components. Well, technically 4, because you can have a bit chip, which is just drip, and there's also a metal bit chip in existing, which is pretty epic. And its weight disc is that, and the blade base is nothing else. And this has an interchangeable spin gear, which can take this off and put a left spin one from Dragoon. So you put this together like that. Pretty good, like, energy layer, or like blade, which is kind of wicked. Yeah. So this is a Master Dragoon, which is kind of wicked, in my opinion. Has these really ginormous, I don't think the tip is supposed to look like that. It's kind of really worn down. That's pretty sad. I don't have another, like, blade base that could replace that, really. That's a bit of an L, which is kind of not really wicked. And this bay doesn't really want to come off, which is kind of sad. But yeah, it's Dragoon. It's like Master Dragoon. Here is also Master Dragoon. I have a spare one for some kind of reason. And yeah, it's a different bit chip, which has different bays, but it really doesn't matter. And here is my most puggies of PogChamp ones. This is Wing Defender, which I don't know what the Bit Beast. It's supposed to be a dead Drasil. It's Bit Beast is a dead Drasil from what I can tell. He's kind of dead. Yeah, it's blade base. Nothing. It's nothing real special, probably, for all you plastic gen enjoyers. It's a small weight disc. That's a small one. Yeah, so really, this is just a short unboxing. Yeah, this one is pretty compact looking ass guy, which is pretty epic, and I like ass looking ass. And I will be more buying plastic gen stuff later in my life. And also, you have these rip cords. I'm just gonna take a short one. You can like rip it up. These are probably also compatible with metal fight rip cords, and which they feel really good. Here's a metal fight bay compared to a plastic gen. Yeah, this one's bigger, obviously. And so yeah, that's it for the unboxing. Slash like and comment and subscribe. Bye bye.